Hello my little goats, I'm back with another video. I want to teach you how to make the savory oatmeal I've been making since... I can't speak. I've been making this since college. It's really fucking good. So you start with boiling some water, you add in some dried seaweed flakes, I added some wakame flakes, and then I also added some soup seasoning. It's cheating, but whatever, I didn't have stock, so, you know, forgive me, right? And then let that come to a simmer. The seaweed's gonna hydrate. Then I added a paste that I made with mushrooms, garlic, chilies, and some olive oils. Wow, check out those effects. Who made those? But this paste gives awesome flavor to soups and stews that you're cooking, and maybe I'll make a video for it. I probably won't. When the water comes to a full boil, then you can add your oats. Don't add it too early because then it gets slimy. If the water is boiling when you add it, then the oats become more discreet, like me. Now, you can crack your eggs in, let them poach at a low temperature, turn your heat all the way to low, and don't let this get thick, okay? Let your thighs get thick, but don't let your oatmeal get thick because it's gonna get thicker in the bowl. Now scoop all of it out. You can add some seeds. I'm adding hemp seeds and pumpkin seeds. And then I'm also going to add some chili oil that I made. I'll definitely add a video for this at some point because this stuff is really good. It's really interesting. It's got a lot of flavor. It's not just chili, it's a lot of spices and some fermented stuff too. Then I'm adding some sesame oil, and if you have it, then add some truffle oil because that adds some really nice funky earthiness that goes really well with the eggs. So that's it. You can see it's been sitting in the bowl a little bit. It thickened up a little. I don't like my oatmeal super like thick and chunky, so this is the perfect texture for me, and it's so fucking good. I can't wait to eat it. Honestly, after this, apple cinnamon oatmeal will taste like fucking trash, and if you want to fight me about it, well, whatever. I'm not gonna fight you about it.
Like and subscribe!